This is meant by -1, this value. You can also set your time period, but that's a little bit risky thing. We are only going to make -1 years. And now there are other options like parameters, start in folders. Don't worry about them, ignore them. Okay, now everything is here is perfect. You will just have to write the name of a new shortcut which will be created on the desktop. So I will be creating like you can give it any name. So I am going to give it Win Automation Unlimited. Okay, so now you can click on create shortcut. As you can see here, I have a shortcut name Win Automation Unlimited. So now I will run my Win Automation software from this shortcut. Now you can close the software. Okay. So now, as you guys saw earlier, I had a trial version of Win Automation, which was only going to run for 24 days, and after that period, I will have to buy a new license key, or I will have to buy their software. So now I'm running it from this shortcut, which I have created with run as date. Okay, now you can see that now I have 390 days. Guys, this is a very beautiful trick. You can almost try this trick on any softwares. I will not tell you guys that it works on everything, like every software that is available on the internet, but it works for almost every software. There are some softwares which are very secure, you know, and they cannot be cracked in this way. We cannot make them run for unlimited time. But as we are talking about softwares like as I am using this Win Automation and Internet Download Manager and other software which have less security, you can crack them. If you are not sure that, if you have any software and you are not sure that if it's going to work with this trick or not, you can try this trick without any hesitation, as you are not going to replace your original files with some cracked files or anything, but you can give it a try. You know, if this works, it's good for everyone, but if it doesn't, then I will be doing another video and you can see there how you can run a software for almost unlimited time. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my video, and if you dislike my video, and leave a comment below. And by the way, link for the software runners that is also given below. You can download this software and you can try it also. Okay guys,
see you in the next video.
Hi. In this tutorial we are going to take off the training wheels and crack a real program. This program has a time restriction, and after this time, it will not work anymore. We are going to patch it to think it is registered. The target is included in this download. I am not stating the name of the program, as the purpose of this tutorial is not to get a crack